What's up YouTube? Coco Vegan here and I'm back with another one. So today I decided that I would like to try to make fried oyster mushrooms, the vegan fried chicken. So of course I'm new at this, never made it before, going off of my own recipe, going off of my own spice combination, the whole 9 yards. So if that sounds interesting to you, please give me a like, comment, and subscribe. Drop in the comments what kind of vegan meat alternatives you like, and let's get into it. I'm gonna start out by cleaning my blue oysters. According to the label, you must cook these before eating, so keep that in mind. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse them off. I did read that you're supposed to not necessarily wash them, but kind of like rinse them and kind of dab them dry. So I don't know if it ruins the integrity to like full on wash them, but
anything you wanna do, I am gonna try to. Boy, my body's desperate for you. Pleasure is a destination, you can buy my skin, get you.
all right. Now that I got the mushrooms all rinsed off, kind of just taking a paper towel and dabbing them dry. Y'all, like I said, I don't have no particular recipe. I'm just cooking. I mean, how many of y'all's grannies go in the kitchen and they using measuring cups and whatnot? No, they cooking from their soul. They just know to add a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Just go with the flow. I mean, following a recipe to a T is stressful. Just get in the kitchen and be creative. Be creative and experiment, try new things. Yeah. Honestly, I'm about to make this a very simple meal. This ain't gonna be a long video at all. Not Rocco barking in the background. Okay, boy, all right, I'm back. Sorry about that. So anyways, now I'm gonna go ahead and make my breading. I'm gonna make my breading. I'm gonna do a dry and a wet. So I'm gonna make sure, dip the mushrooms into the wet batter, and then I'll put it in the dry breading that I mix up, and then those will be ready to go into the pan and fry. So today, I think I'm gonna use this tapioca flour. Never used it before. So guys, I don't know how this is gonna turn out. We're gonna find out together. I just felt like this was a bit of a healthier alternative to regular enriched flour. So that is what I'm gonna use. And I'm about to go look in my cabinet now and pick out which seasonings I wanna use. And I'll be back to show you guys what I decided. So here are the seasonings I decided to go with. I got pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, pink salt, smoked paprika, Cajun seasoning, and nutritional yeast. So again, I got the tapioca flour, and I'm gonna also use this cashew milk for the wet batter. And the mushrooms are right there waiting. This is gonna be good, I hope. Definitely will let you know at the end of the vid how I like it and possibly how my boyfriend likes it. I think what I'm gonna do is go ahead and prepare my batter and my dry breading and just kind of sit that to the side. So I'm not ready to fry it yet, the mushrooms that is. I wanna go ahead and cut up some potatoes for French fries that I'm gonna make on the side as well. So yeah, I think this is gonna be like a fried chicken and French fry type deal. Like some of these mushroom pieces are kind of small, as you can see. They're gonna be more like chicken nuggets. So it might be more like a chicken nugget and fry type situation. But either way, I'm ready to try this. So I'm gonna get ready to make the breading and the batter. it's time to get into this fried oyster mushrooms. First, I'm gonna go ahead and add some vegetable oil to my pan. I'm gonna dip everything into the wet batter first and then the dry batter. And then into the pan, the mushrooms go. All right, let's do it. Well, I surely do not know how these are about to taste, but by the look of them and the smell of them, I think they're about to taste really good. This is my first time frying mushrooms as a chicken substitute, but you know, without even tasting it, I'm pretty impressed by the looks of them. And I got my vegan blue cheese that I'm probably gonna dip my chicken into with some hot sauce and yeah, ketchup for my fries. It's about to be real good. At least I hope so. Ooh, y'all, before I fix my plate, I just had to show y'all the complete product. Goodness, that looked good. If you're wondering why this side looks a little bit different from this side, at the last minute, I decided to add some breadcrumbs to this batch to see if it would give it a bit of a better crunch. I just shook a little bit of the breadcrumbs into my dry batter. I didn't measure a thing. I eyeball everything, if I can talk. Just by the looks of it, it looks crispier than this side, but both equally looks really good. All right. I got my chicken, I got my fries, and I like my fries a little bit on the burnt, crispy side, y'all, so don't come for me. I got my hot sauce, I got my ketchup, and I got my blue cheese, vegan blue cheese, as you can see. And I'm about to add to my food. Ooh, that's about to be good. I can already tell. All right. So, I think I'll try the first piece without the breadcrumbs. I'm gonna just add a little hot sauce to that. Let's see. I know y'all heard that crunch. This is good. Okay, so now I'm gonna try the ones that I fried with breadcrumbs. This is the way to go, y'all. Definitely use breadcrumbs. Both are really good, but I know y'all heard that crunch. These are so good. Anyways, hopefully my boyfriend likes them, but Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.